Hi, and welcome to the Sovelia Routing demo. In this video, we will create some pipes and test some of the basic functions. You will find a link to the tutorial file down below. Make sure to install Sovelia Routing before we start. We will start by going to the Sovelia Routing menu. Press New Route. By default, this ASME piping spec is selected. It is also easy to create your own custom specs, but that's for another video. Change the size to 1.5 inch and the start connection to the flange welding neck. Then select an edge to start routing from. A Create menu will pop up. Now you can press a surface to guide the routing. You can also write specific values. We will use 200 millimeter, and then select the flange welding neck again for the end connection, and the first pipe is done. For our next pipe, we will use a command copy. Press the first pipe, and select a direction by pressing an edge. Then select what spacing to use. 200 millimeter will be good. The copy is complete, but the pipe should not be routed like this. Press Edit Route, and change the size to 2 inches. Then press the surface on the cabinet, and write 250 millimeter. Add bend and rotate by pressing a guiding edge. Add straight. Press the next surface. And again, we will use 250 millimeter offset. Again, add bend. Add straight. And then we will be ready to auto-complete the last stretch by just pressing the circular flange. Our third pipe we will create by starting from the upper flange on the cabinet. We want the piping to turn upwards right away from the flange neck. We can use the button. Replace by bend. Then we will rotate again by selecting a guiding edge. Add straight. Press surface and 250 millimeter. Add bend. And now we should be ready to auto-complete. Finish with the welding neck. For our fourth pipe, we will be starting from the upper flange on the smaller pink cabinet, this time with 2 inches. Again, we want the piping to turn upwards right away from the flange neck. We can use the button, replace by bend, but then we will stop and instead continue the routing from the other end. Press New Route. Change the size to 4 inches, and then replace by bend. Then we are ready to line up the routing by pressing our bend at the other end. We do, however, want to insert a reducer. So now we can back the routing by just pressing where we want to go back. Then we press change size and select 2 inches. And now we are ready to auto-complete. The fourth pipe are divided into 2 assemblies in order to merge them. We can use the tool Join. Press pipe 1 and then pipe 2 and hit OK. The pipes are now joined into one assembly. The last pipe should be very straightforward. Just select the starting edge. We need to adjust the direction. And then we can auto-complete right away. Let's finish with a flange. And we are done. Keep an eye out for more tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You'll find our details down below. Thanks for watching.